We have a very serious injury involving an individual who fell from a roof, and the individual's name was Mauricio Rivera, and he fell 18 feet through a skylight on a concrete floor. And here's the thing. So when you fall from roofs, type of injury happens, your workers' comp attorney is going to look to see if there's what's called a violation of a specific safety requirement. And this would be a separate cause of action outside the workers' comp claim. It's extra benefits they could pursue. And essentially, it's a kind of a punitive thing against your employer because they did something that was unsafe, that violated, again, a specific safety requirement. With people working from heights, working on roofs, roofers, whatnot, employers are supposed to provide what's called fall protection. And what ended up happening in this situation is, the guy fell, and his attorney was citing a violation of Ohio Administrative Code 4123-1-3-03J1, which mandates that fall protection gear shall be provided. And here's the thing. So the Industrial Commission, the staff hearing officer determined that there was nowhere to tie the fall protection gear off. The Industrial Commission determined that simply transporting a harness to a job site does not meet the legal standard to provide protection. If the equipment is useless because the necessary anchors are missing, the rule is violated. And in this case, they determined that there was a 15% penalty. And so the way VSSR was worked, the Industrial Commission determines, one, if a VSSR was violated, and then two, what penalty to put on the employer. So it could be anywhere from 15 to 50%. It looks like the employer in this case, Prime Roof, appealed this to the 10th District. They argued it before the 10th District, and then they put it towards the Ohio Supreme Court, and the Ohio Supreme Court determined, again, that the employer must provide fall protection that is immediately functional. And again, a harness or lanyard is not protection, and this is if no anchor is in place. Meaning, if the fall protection is not going to it's useful, then it's like, here's the thing, but it's not going to help you. That's useless. And so the Supreme Court is saying, hey, there is a VSSR, and so the guy got the VSSR.